Hey guys, welcome back. Today is September 8th. It is my birthday and today I am with Luna. We're gonna do a sexy birthday photo shoot. So we're gonna go to the store, so follow us. We're gonna look for some outfits, some
props,
yes, balloons. I think that's about it. Maybe grab some lunch. That'd be nice. Yeah. So follow us along.
Yay! I did a really good job of makeup today.
Yeah,
I really tried.
Good. It looks good. Where's the dresses at? Is this
That
it?
was it.
Wait, what was it?
That was it.
Oh, you're kidding. So I found this super cute dress I really like because it's really like simple. Anyways, let's check what Luna, look at this dress. It's super cute.
You have to look at mine too.
Bitch, is that the same fucking dress?
Bitch. You come out with the same dress.
Look how cute it is though. Look. I don't mind. Like we should just like that's too close.
It makes me look like I actually have boobs.
Well, it makes me look like I don't have boobs, but it makes me look like I have a booty. Oh, but you can't see it. Where'd it go?
Here, you'll have a booty and I'll have a boobs.
There you go. So now we're on our way to Ulta. We're gonna get some makeup. I'm gonna get some makeup for my giveaway winner on Instagram as well. So my giveaway winner won a Jack Van Hill palette, the 9A palette, and a couple of BH brushes and a $20 gift card to Fashion Nova. So stay tuned for my giveaways, guys.
I want to win your giveaway. Shit.
Okay, now we're gonna grab something to eat because we haven't ate since like really early.
I haven't ate all
Is
day.
your shirt not zipped up?
Oh my god.
We just got done eating. It was really good. We are stuffed.
I have a fruit baby. I'm like, we found a romper,
Mm-hmm.
olive green, that is really cute, but we want to have something more, you know?
Yeah, see if we can find something a little bit more extra, more like birthday glam.
We've tried this 3 times, and she's not ready.
You're band-aid, you're like 3 times.
I feel like the other ones that we took, you probably didn't even press record either.
I'm so scared I'm not even gonna look until I'm at
I want to show you guys something very interesting.
Okay,
so you have, it's a boy, right? It's a party. In case you don't know, it's a party. Which she actually had that in her
I had
house.
that in my house.
Yeah, her guests were confused. They're like, why are we here? Oh, it's a party.
It's a party.
There you go. In case you're having a horrible time, they have the sign that tells you you're supposed to be having fun.
So should I get something like that I'll eat or I won't eat? We're getting this one.
Do you want to?
Just kidding. We're getting this one.
I just have something to tell you guys. She just forgets everything. She was leaving and forgot the balloons.
We forgot to keep pressing play on the stupid camera phone.
Yeah.
Yay! So we got the balloons and we're ready to get ready for our photo shoot.
Tell me what time it is. We met up at 1 o'clock. It's 6:06 p.m. Okay, just in case it's not clear.
I just take I take a long time at the stores. Okay guys, so we just got to the house and I just did my brows. I'm gonna start doing my makeup and then we're gonna do the shoot. But it doesn't look that bad.
As you thought, or what?
Like the color though should have been like it should have been like light black, huh?
Your face.
I'm like, what's going on? Okay guys, so I am ready. Can you guys see the glow? I'm ready. This is the outfit that Luna, my friend, found. So let me just do a 360 for you guys.
Yes.
So I'm excited. I hope the pictures come out really well. I don't hope. I know the pictures are gonna come out really good. So let's start the photo shoot.
Where's the lights?
What do you eat? I'm your glazed donut.
Zam, girl. What do you think?
I like it.
Is it cute though? It's like barely like just, you know. Okay guys, so we just got done doing the photo shoot. I hope you guys liked it. It was really fun, as you can tell.
So you still have a milk mustache.
Hate mustache. Anyways, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And see you guys next week. Bye.